Presenting the Amazfit GTS 3 smartwatch with heart rate, SpO2, sleep, stress, female cycle monitoring, sports watch with 150 plus sports modes, GPS, 5 atmospheres waterproof, Alexa built-in.
Color options of white, black, and terra rosa. It comes with bezel-less design, ocean-like curved glass screen and total immersion into your display. It supports data you need, metrics like heart rate and air pressure of your outdoor activities. Specialized data such as maximum oxygen uptake, nap tracking, a nap over 20 minutes can be recorded, and heart rate, blood oxygen saturation, stress level and breathing rate in one single tap of the watch. It also has choice of activity, Alexa and offline assistant, easily and built-in barometric altimeter to help keep an eye on the altitude. High precision and powerful navigation systems, the GTS 3 smartwatch and supports GPS, GLONASS, Galileo, BDS and QZSS satellite navigation systems to accurately track your route. It has lightweight yet durable aircraft-grade aluminum alloy. It supports even the Home Connect third-party app. The delivery box contains smartwatch, charging base and user manual. Product comes with standard brand warranty. For further information visit the product detail